If you've ever wanted to fill the cookie jar with the most delicious custard cookies, keep watching this video because I'm going to be baking melt in the mouth custard cookies using a family recipe, and as a bonus I'll be sharing some top tips and family secrets along the way. So be sure to watch the video to the end, you don't want to miss out on any tips. Grab your aprons, preheat your ovens, and let's get baking. Get started. Adding the butter. So I'm using real butter because real butter gives the cookies better flavor. It does start from cream, so there's that. Next I'm adding the caster sugar. So caster sugar is better to use for cookies than granulated sugar because of its lighter texture. It makes the cookies airier. Here we go. Right. Let's get mixing. Okay, so I've scraped the sides a little bit, and now I'm going to add the eggs. One at a time. Next I'm going to add the corn flour, the custard powder, and the salt and baking powder. Okay, corn flour, custard powder, and salt and baking powder. Next ingredient is the flour. So we're adding them cup by cup. So now the dough is ready to go into the cookie press and to be pressed out onto the trays. Look at those beautiful biscuits. My goodness. I can't wait to do the taste test. So they're just fresh out of the oven, and this is what they look like. So here we have it. An assortment of delicious, mouth-watering custard cookies. Look at that golden brown color. Now for the taste test. The first thing I notice is how it absolutely just melts in your mouth. That rich and creamy custard flavor. It's just the right amount, not overpowering like. It's quite Moorish, so you'll find yourself reaching for another one without even realizing it. If you enjoyed the content of this video and you want to see what we're making next, give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when I next upload a video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!